Alright guys, today I'm going to demonstrate how to clean and restore a K&N filter. So this applies to the normal filter, cartridges like this, the cone filters, really all K&N filters. So here we go. So actually I've already sprayed this down. So first things first, you got to uninstall it from your vehicle. So there it is. This particular one is off of my Evo 10. So as you can see, I've already sprayed it, but just for the sake of demonstration, I will go ahead and spray it. The kit that I have is the 995,000. You could buy them at AutoZone or O'Reilly's or Advanced Auto Parts, wherever your local auto parts store is. I think they're about 12 bucks, I believe. So this is what you're gonna need. The powder clean. What you want to do is spray up, down. So I've already sprayed it. This is the side I call it, the dirty side, and this is the this clean side. But I do both sides, both clean side and the dirty side. So let it sit for a few minutes, and then we're gonna take a low pressure water, hose it down. You actually hose it down from the clean side. All right, so the dirty side gets washed out that way. So as you can see, it's already starting to cake up. You may have to do this step twice. Well, step 1 and 2 twice. So spray both sides and then rinse from the clean side. So here we go. Alright guys, so here is the clean filter. I may have to do another pass. See some dirt and debris still stuck in there. Not sure if I can just get it out by hand. Looks like it's a bug. You know, stuff like that you may have to get out on your own. Looks like it cleaned it pretty well for the most part. So I would suggest guys to do another pass. So spray it all again and rinse it all from the clean side one more time, and then gotta let it dry for, the instruction says 24 hours, but honestly I'm not gonna let it sit that long. I guess you can, but I'm in Texas in summertime, so I know for a fact it's gonna dry out way before 24 hours. Once this is dried, next step now is to oil her back up. Alright guys, so we're here about not quite 24 hours later. I think it's probably already been 16 hours or so, 18 hours, something like that. Anyway, now that it's cleaned and dried up, now we need to re-oil it. K&N claims that there's no way you could over-oil this thing. I don't really buy it, so I'm just gonna be really careful, and just, you don't want to go put in too much or too little either. And I think we should be good here. That's pretty much all we need, guys. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but that red dye hue is back onto the filter now. So yeah, now it's time to reinstall it back to the vehicle. Alright guys, so if you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe. Hope Hope you guys learned something and enjoyed the tutorial. There's more coming.